Okay. Boil job. Okay.
Where you walk and go?
Mommy, me on job, me I go look.
Come into the shade, let me hear about this. One job?
Yeah.
One day you did contact Miss Matty, because she did want somebody to come wash and clean. And that the job you go look?
No, mommy. High class job. No one them kind of job there.
So what kind of high class job that there?
Job that can make money. Enough money. No one them job there. Little bit of money then you can do. High class.
Okay, my high class daughter, I'm proud of you. So what, is like a hotel worker or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, but you don't need subject for that.
No.
Me hear say you didn't need plenty subject and maths and English and all them the things.
No, for me, I need no subject. Alright.
High job that no need subject? Okay. So when you gonna get the interview?
Soon.
Alright. And what the people that you're talking to?
Yes.
Okay. I'm proud of you, because you from your born, you ever have ambition. That's why I'm proud of you, man. But boy, me want to know what kind of work, like high class work without subject. That sound interesting. Me never hear about that before. What, is somebody you know get you the job?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. But that sound interesting though. But find out more about it, because anything sound too good to be true. Sometimes it's too good to be true.
Yes, mommy.
When you look into it and think first, and then let me know about it. And you get more information. So you know what the name of the hotel or nothing? Or where it there?
Not yet. Soon.
Oh, so you need, I know one of the bump on the beach.
Yeah. On the beach.
Well, you don't know much about it then.
No, come never finish talk to her because you stop me.
Okay. All right. Well, you can follow me go shop. Because this soon done, I want another bigger one. Because I taste this one and I like it. So make we go shop and then you can tell me more about this big job. So you know what kind of work it is? What you'll be doing?
Not yet, mommy.
Okay.
I never finish talk to her as because you stop me.
Okay, but me now stop you. Just come out with me to the shop, because it's a bigger one like this and a few more things me want. So me kind of need your muscles to walk with me. And you me did a walk a look for.
All right, mommy.
All right, come.
Mommy. Me I go look for my boyfriend.
Okay. All right. You got on long?
No. Me soon come.
All right. Say hello to him for me here.
Okay.
You hear anything more about this job?
No, mommy.
All right. Make sure remember to phone your friend back and find out the details, because anything served too long, served too master. So you don't want this good old job leave you out.
Yes, mommy.
All right. So chase her up on it.
Okay.
All right. Big him up for me.
All right, mommy.
Aye.
How
TB.
would that?
Me, yo man. Always I come to you.
Say that coming be enough for your knock. Where you come on me hard and knock for baby?
What happened?
There man, you good?
Yeah, me alright.
Where you come from? Me no must
road
see
me I
it.
come from. I come from a mommy.
Oh. She don't know your move. So you know hot you on the
Yeah,
phone.
me hot.
So you going to your mummy go do?
Me there on a mommy I talk to me and them tell mommy say me I come look for you.
Eh.
Yeah. So where I deal with?
Yeah, I know.
Alright. So anyways, I want money me come ask you for.
B, me not tell her that for last night, B, so me not have any money. Me not have no money at all, B. Nothing and go and things slow, you know, B.
You just broke so. So anyways, me have one plan. You can make money.
What kind of plan?
Can scam.
How scam? How we are going to do?
Can scam all people can buy sell them something. Tell them
So what we are going to sell them, you know?
anything away and can touch
Oh.
us. Yeah.
So we think we can make money out of that?
Millions.
Millions?
Yeah.
So what we are going to do with all of the millions if we make it?
Can buy one car. Can fix up your house. You want to say this favor?
Well, no advice for fix this, cause
Aye,
a millions. So you better we go buy a new house or go buy a piece of land or cause me no want to live up here, so be, to tell you the truth.
Aye.
Me no want to live up here, so.
House with it.
So make you're sure that I go work out still?
Yeah, remember say, old people, they don't have much sense.
Me rate how you say that be. Cause for when nothing I'm going for you to when you see it and me no want to left me no want nobody else out there get you. Cause people out there bribe you with them things. And me carry on, me love you for we are little pitney.
Yeah, me know that.
We are par. For we look till we get bigger now. We want to make sure say we alright and comfortable. So make sure say yo, the plans you have up, it dey work.
Yeah.
No, they work, it go work.
Yeah. I feel work.
So we say crazy money can make.
Yeah.
And we have to think smart too. We can't just buy car, buy house. We have to do a business.
Yeah, Carol, do a business all tight too.
So what kind of business I think we can run and they make money from inside?
You have clothes store, you have shop. You have all kind of stuff you can do with the money.
Okay. So which one you would want to do?
Me feel like I couldn't do a clothes store and I make more money. How people want clothes,
So you did something that your mother today? Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Did cook some food in there? Can go and share up some.
Alright. Soon come.
Alright.
B, your food tastes nice.
So if food no must taste nice, be if I make cookie. I make it look like a first you did for me.
Anyways, I have to go up now. Cause me tell mommy say me soon come. And me know I rain catch me cause rain because it go fall.
Yeah. So you don't can stay like where rain and go fall, your mother don't know so we there already.
Yeah, but me want to go back up to her. Cause she tell me say me not fi stay long.
So you don't can call her and tell her say I stay with me.
I go back to her.
Alright, go on, just be safe.
Alright, later.
You'll come back and look for me later?
Yeah.
Alright. Make sure you know.
Alright.
What, girl?
Well,
Where your man come from?
me I come from my boyfriend.
Oh, so how things are going up there?
It's alright, Go up there. Pay the money but never get it.
Oh man, you must feel away.
But,
good?
yeah, me alright, you alright?
Yeah, girl. Me there walk, I say me look at work.
Yeah,
You don't think you need a work too?
No, me have one plan.
What kind of plan you have now?
Scam.
Me Jesus. You said proudly and a skin off your 32 teeth them in the head.
Yeah. So now I'm coming like so.
Woo! You hear me say me a walk and look me there? Work. Hard working work. 9 to 5 me a deal with.
Oh.
Yes, me ask a question. Me your friend for how much years now? From basic school days, right?
Yeah.
Me know say the girl school, throughout the whole of high school, the girl school more than me. You think say your mother for this in the girl school if you come to be a scam? How can a scam you plan to scam?
Scam people for them property and them something. You don't know about no scam.
Mama, they have bangle and they have pimp out, man. So which one you do?
Me I do pimp out.
Oh. So actually your man not get enough money make you go do that?
Yeah. I'm go over there, me not get no money, so make up my mind, say me go scam.
I think it's a good idea for you scam.
What you mean?
You know what I mean? Me said, Brian, I don't think. Read the lips and read the facial expression. I don't think it's a good idea for you to scam. That's what I said. Look at work. We don't say go look at work, girl. Me and you say go look at work, man. Make me walk and look work. More than for go scam. You can't scam, man, you know.
Me know.
You know that?
Yeah.
So why you go scam? It's in innocent.
I go scam people.
Old
Old people are no sense.
Some boy take me. So what I said to you, girl. Me I go up the road. Go look at 9 to 5 job. Me can't scam like a you. Me not ready for scam. But clearly that you want total life scamming, but I know that me want. Me don't want that for the sleep and a peak out. Suppose I go scam all the man, them and no one then come to your yard. Take more than something before you go scam. Clear?
Yeah, me hear you.
One of us think about it.
Alright, later.
Think about it. Cause you're not so righteous.
Oh.
Where you go?
Yeah, for the kayo.
And a burning judge.
Mommy.
Oh, you come.
Yes, mommy.
You alright?
Yeah, me alright.
How your friend?
She ain't alright, she alright.
Alright.
Yeah. Anyways, they don't say I 10,000 me ask you for.
$10,000?
Yeah.
Just for what?
You work with me there tell about.
Oh, hold on. Work supposed to pay you. So how you look $10,000 for get work?
No. More than 10,000.
Huh? How me going to give you, what's the $10,000 for? If you was $10,000 baby, me would have spend you. What, for uniform and thing?
Yeah, for my uniform. Remember say I don't go out no clothes if we wear no. For buy a uniform and the shoes. You work.
So you get the job?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, we're proud of you. We're proud of you. But here what? Alright, since it's for work, I gotta lend you. I forgot to the cash point and dry it out though.
Alright, mommy.
I gotta lend you. But here what? How you have to pay out such big money to start the work? Make sure them to ride you like mule, you know?
No, mommy.
Huh? Cause them love use people, especially us black people, and then still want to ride we like mule. So after this 10,000, you're gonna need more money again?
No, mommy. When me get it, buy me uniform, my shoes, start work, they will start paying me.
It's a good job though and pay high.
Yes, mommy.
Alright, I'm not going to your business still, but make sure so never pay, you know the hours, what hours you go work?
From 6 to 12.
From 6 in the morning till 12? Yeah. Oh, could I never ask a young girl to come home at midnight? Alright, from 6 till 12, so alright. Well, here one. Me have to do some juggling, but me no want to cramp you with the work. Cause I want you to fly high and independent. The summer want you independent. Let me line up myself and follow me down to the bank and make me dry it out for you, yeah?
Alright, mommy.
Alright, me I come.
Yes, mommy.
What
Watch
going on, Popeye?
Yes, so far. When they circle the year and analyze the place.
You know, sometimes I realize something.
So,
Why you so stingy? You look
I
stingy.
don't understand what you mean by
stingy.
that.
Because every time you company with you just like you don't have money. Me and you know say you have money. Me and you know say you're rich. You're stinking rich. And not small rich, the big rich.
So we are watch me for. Why I tell you I walk around and tell people that everybody I beg me want 5,000.
No, I'm not going to tell you, but you have money. Stop act like you don't got money.
No, listen. You have to pretend poor to see your true friend them around you. Because if you don't pretend poor, you're not going to see your true friend them. You understand?
Yes, me understand.
So you have to pretend it. So, me I try locate a land around so, right?
Yes.
To find the land so we can build something on it.
Go build something for you. You build one house?
No, me want to build one youth foundation.
Oh.
For the youth, they don't get no education yet. You see the boy, they say a car and dig out their hand, makes sense for just Billy and give them free lunch every day so they come. Because you know, say, once you have free things, anyway free things there, the little people them are find it. So that will make them learn fast because they might eat. Oh dear.
Something for them throat, me thirsty. You can't miss some juice.
That's why the minute me move me hand, you're getting it all. $500. Yes. I want my rich friend place to go buy this. We no buy cheap things. Everything we want to buy.
Tropics.
Yeah, then double it.
After $500.
Listen me. Let me try to show you, say my friend, then when you go there, we pay 500, we have to take back change.
So you not find a woman in your life yet?
So do I?
If you put up, spend pan.
Next thing, we they go take up a woman, right? And you go find out say a money go left you.
Oh.
So me want pretend poor until the woman breed and married me poor.
You know, so me have one friend. He love poor man.
Right? You know poor man?
Yeah.
Alright, no. Yeah man,
Yeah,
down
down
the
the
road there.
road.
So as me I say, me love the poor girl. I love when them
Yes,
love me
him
poor.
poor. I'm a friend man, I know her for a long time from we little so we apart.
Alright, since as you know that, I
Thank
get a
you.
drink. So see next time you introduce me to your friend, yeah?
Right.
Alright, no
Yeah.
problem.
All
Like
right.
that, yes.
Never plan for you. Hannah. Sis, I talk to you about something.
Yes, chat.
Me I sit down for your bed.
Yeah. Idiot, man, no live in safe place.
But through your pull up with me, I tell me I sit down for you now. Me I ask you something. If I say one man, and you know sign rich, you in yourself know sign rich and you have money.
Yeah.
And interest poor, where I call him?
Well, depends what me don't call him mangy.
And that me daughter is saying me and G.
Or in stingy or in maybe mean and no want nobody. Cause you
Yes.
don't want nobody know saying how money or you don't want giving nothing. So I'm brave with just like that there. Cause you don't want nobody beg him for nothing.
But when you dress, people still beg him, can me still beg him. He man have money and act like saying no money. A papa I don't do road me a chat.
You need that money?
Yes. He have money.
If we heard that the man that just killed me did a rubbish bin in your motor. If we heard
Take time with my friend. Don't treat me friend like that.
I don't know treat a friend. He just walk and up mad like he no sense. Me dey think a man, you know. Every time I say me normally run, come I dey think he mad and fool and
No,
like
he no mad.
sense.
He's stinking rich. And small rich. Bigness rich. He rich and full of money. How much I may have them money there?
Well, we can only wish. You see right now, remember some school fee need for pay.
Oh my.
Yeah.
When if you did have a man.
Not only if you did have a work.
Oh.
That depend on man.
You don't think you want a man?
Girl, look at me. Wait till me done out of my last year of high school. Besides, men are dogs. I do not want no man.
No, some of the man them have money, you know.
Oh, so
So you must start the money man.
Then just barely there Jamaica.
So you like him?
No.
And like somebody other date?
He's stinking ugly. You see him like how you saying stinking rich? Well, he's stinking ugly.
Don't watch the looks, baby girl. Watch the figures. Watch the figures. Watch the dollars. That me hide upon money.
Oh, that thing.
Because me walk and look work and me can't find none. I want to know my friend go look for me and tell me say she want to do too.
What?
Scam man, pimp out man, take man money. Me tell you say it's not right, it's wrong.
Oh.
Me tell him say it's wrong and he need to find a good and decent job. But me walk and look job and can't find a job. And Papa I have money, you know. He have
So what
money.
make you not there with him then? Simple. You there with him and top exploit me.
No, guess what?
What?
He ain't go in can't there make a me know say I have money and say I look somebody fi there with him. One not wanna know say I have money.
So you say your friend, right? So you don't know say you have a little sister. Exactly. So it don't make a sense. I'm gonna say, oh, you tell a little sister.
No, he never say fi tell you.
money. No, me say he ain't gonna say that there because him know say him a just you know.
No, me
say
tell him say
just
me go introduce him to my friend. Cause me plan to give him to my friend, but me I say no. Suppose my friend rob me out of the money, so me I think about you and you look nice.
No,
Turn
no.
around, give me a 360. Right, you got the figures, you got the face.
The flat
yes.
figures and everything,
So
I
put on some little
understand.
belly skin and go up on the road and look if you see him.
I feel like you forgive your friend. Cause you know why you say anyhow your friend do know a shade them a go for not to you cause your friend thief it and take it. So you don't have to
You
worry
not
about
thief the
nothing.
man money, me love.
No,
you
me
want
not
there with
thief
him.
it. So make shade with him then you say your best stickler or your friend, right? So if no on the man all go divorce him or so no, you know just make him no so. You are oh my god, you don't
Put on a belly skin, me don't talk, I'm the bigger one. Put on a belly skin.
me no handle.
Tie up a shirt. Tie up it. Look up on the road, go fine. Yes, turn around. Show a little bit of the belly. And cock up. Yes, head we saw you fi arch up.
Me look like a duck.
Me no business. You know watch that. Act poor too. Remember say no two go up to you. Make
You
him
know no
adjust you.
powder, me drop powder for my lip.
Hmm?
You know no powder, me drop some powder for my lip.
Are your phone that?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm a banger.
I'm a powder then. Me can't find my powder. You know. Me not no powder. Me not no powder. Me not none. Just go up there on the roadside and sit down.
Yeah, tell me something because poor people not
Alright. Just sit down, you hear?
Yeah.
Go out there and sit down.
Alright.
At least the number you must get.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hui, make you come sit down. Hassan a beat hot man. Oh, you alright?
Yes, mommy.
I want to talk to you. Cause boy, I just a pray so you get the work quick, and you get paid quick, and then really gotta pay you high money
Yes, mommy.
because today Master Jones just gone and come ask for the rent. I'm gonna have it like that. When near poverty right now, cause fridge empty, rent for pay. Me all have flow. I text me and I say them I go cut me off. Light I go cut off. Boy, I don't know how me I go manage it.
So, mommy, I can't tell Master to give you a time.
And that me beg him for do, me tell him say, nothing now go on for now. Him not care about that. So me tell him say next week. We don't know where it go come from next week. But me just tell him next week for tell him what he want here. You know them kind of way?
Yes, mommy.
Right. The work tell you nothing about when them a go pay. Why you forget it, man?
They say by 2 week time.
I don't know how me I go work that then though. 2 weeks you say?
Yeah.
You can't ask them for your advance.
Me go try
Mm-hmm.
and see what them a go say.
Aye. See what them a go say. Because like how you a go work hard and me know me have faith in you, man. Cause me know the work you can do. Especially when you put your head and your mind to something. And that me love with you.
So, mommy, you know what I say? Me want to go check my friend Kayla.
Check her with what?
Me want to talk to her about something.
Me not like the outer street, you know. Every minute me I hear you talk about Kayla. Me not even know this Kayla. Me not know where she live. Where she live?
She live up your road.
Up the road. Bree. It might look semi-miserable, you know. And me a nag. But anything can happen to you out the street. And if the police come to me and ask, me can't tell them where they gone. Cause me no know who she be, me no know where she live. All me know is the clothes you wear. Who she be? Who is her parents? Who is this Kayla? Where you meet her?
Mommy, me and Kayla used to go to school from Willico. My best friend. Kayla live up the road. Through our lane.
You plenty lane up the lane, you know, up the road, you know.
Right at the bamboo tree, then lane the over the next side. Through there, so Kayla live.
Oh, the board house?
Yeah, right there so.
Oh, Miss Gertie daughter.
Yeah, she same one.
Oh, okay. All right. We know her, man. We know her. How she be? She all right?
Yeah, she alright.
All right. Tell her if you say hello to her mother when you see her.
Alright,
Long
mommy.
time you don't see Miss Gertie, you know. But not time too long.
Alright, mommy.
Because you have to come, prepare yourself up for work and everything, and line yourself up, iron uniform and clean shoes and everything.
Yes,
Because
mommy.
first impressions, when people see you, you represent.
Mm-hmm.
All right?
Yes, mommy.
All right. Well, good.
Alright, me soon come.
Say hello to Miss Gertie for me and Kayla.
Alright, mommy.
Aye. Hot man.
Oh, I don't know what hurt.
Kayla! Girl,
You come back?
Yeah.
So why you take so long?
Don't worry about that, man. Anyways, plan on your top bone. I'm ready.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah,
You
me
serious? What's
serious.
good? So let me tell you something before I go up on the road, my dear. Turn around. Alright, you know, some man likes see things. Shake your body. I say you shaky. My God. Shake like a professional. I say you shake.
Yeah.
Like boom, pan like drop one time. So with the hand in the ear like. Me dear, me never said that. Me say boom. Do that. Me say. Alright. Yes, no. So you go out there, come in and go out there long, so I have to tell you most of the details from now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, when me there walk out there, me can't make him man see me, no, because man know me know him. So you go think I set me up on him, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you see when you go out there, and you see him, don't look you like push up yourself on him. You know? I say, hi, walk one handsome, I like your clothes, you know? And just look him.
Alright.
Don't mash up the plan.
Alright.
If you mash up the plan, I'm going to mash up your face.
Mm.
You hear?
Yeah.
So do it cleanly and nicely. And when you walk like a modeler. Because demonstrate everything in the house for now. When you walk, you step like this. Right. Now come down like a this year. Like something and say walk and lock your legs and walk nice and smile. Saying see you. And you say when you walk past him, you realize he not admire you. You take out that off of your hand and drop it on the floor and bend over and take it up. He have to admire you. Just swing on your ass on him so and take it up. Then you struck up a conversation. Remember you know? Cause me don't come back and me yard left you out there you know. See you got it? You remember everything?
Yeah, remember everything.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright.
Go find him now.
Girl, I want to you.
No, man, try to look for him that can't see his face. Oh, I him. Come see him the other man there. Remember me cleanly. When they walk past, because he's saying the knife one. When you walk past him, drop it something and bend over your hands. But don't put in your face. Then let me what me had in the door and you calm on the phone.
Alright. Yeah. Ooh, my knees.
Hold it there, Avance.
Me there.
You good?
Yeah.
Like a strange in the area. You don't come from where?
No.
Oh. Well, they call me Jay in the area, you know?
Uh-huh.
And we're going up there. You're going...
Yeah, me there go up there so.
Where do I?
Me there go check somebody.
Oh, so you come from Boya? You come from Boya?
No.
Oh, so you're single though?
Yeah.
You know, I like a single girl. You know, I like when girls are single because I'm a man of my words. I like when female are single, I quick off to help them, you know?
Yeah.
So when you have man, I don't help you because the man have to help you. Because when you take in and me help you, the man only eats pressure. Meaning, me I go spend while the man a grind. And that's not fair. So I rather a man single, me not have to grind him, you know. But I rather you single and me spend for you and me know say you do good with the money. So what about the family?
You know, say my family them poor. Me don't even know when me go down go eat.
Them poor?
Yeah.
Oh God of mercy. Oh Lord. You know, better yet, take my number and save it and text me on WhatsApp on the way and send me your bank information and send you $20,000 and you buy stuff.
Alright.
So my number, you ready?
Wait.
My God, man. Can't believe it.
What's your number?
Oh, my number is 888 05 1334. Yeah, man, you just text me on WhatsApp. Okay?
Alright.
Remember, you know, don't take too long to text me on WhatsApp.
Alright.
Okay?
Yeah.
No problem.
Alright.
I want you run, so. My God. No, man. Poverty.
Kayla.
Yeah?
Me come back, girl.
Yeah.
Me get your number.
They get it?
Yeah.
Good. Good, how things going? Everything going fine?
Yeah. And me get 20,000.
Put in my account.
I'm missing a 10.
Yes, 10. Send me 10 right now. You need to do more work. You just get 20. You could have said 40, girl.
Girl, you must say me just another man.
So remember now, when you walk in the streets, remember say you don't got a man. So when you walk, you don't make your man tired and don't tell a man about the plan.
Yeah.
Keep it to yourself and don't mess up your plan. So send me for me 20 now before you left Friday, because some man are not good friend, you know. Send me for me 20. You're good. Good yourself you come here.
You come.
Yes.
Alright.
$10,000 this time. Remember say I'm line up on the work, you know.
Yeah.
So remember say if you double cross me or nothing farmer line, you know.
Alright.
So remember, you know, girl, me your bestie.
Yeah.
Me think you should send me more, you know. Think you should take 5.
Me get 20 and me give you 10 and me take 10. What more you want?
I mean, get the man.
Well, I'm go do it.
So I saying like you everything?
Yeah.
And I gonna make it out?
Yeah.
Good. Find a yard.
Alright.
Link me tomorrow.
Alright, later.
Yes. So wait, let me ask you something. More if I do everything properly. How you going? You dropping something on bed over?
Yes.
You do everything properly?
Yes.
You sure some pimp him a pimp you?
No, I'm not pimp man.
Man, him a pimp you and you a pimp him, you know?
No.
You don't tell me you're your friend?
No.
You don't mention me no farm?
No.
Cause sometimes you no sense, you know, me ain't no friend. You see how when he introduce me to you, cause probably introduce me to you,
Mm-hmm.
you don't know me.
Alright.
You tell everything ahead of time. Go on and lock me door behind you.
Alright. Later.
Yeah. Yes. Money. More money, more money.
Mommy! Mommy! Wake up. We come back.
You come, oh
Yes.
God. You never get washed away with the rain.
We never get washed
Hey,
out.
see how God good?
Yeah. But you know, say me get the job.
You get the job?
Yeah.
Oh God, God good. God's good, feeling too good.
Yeah. So me can pay you back your money.
Oh God, oh God, oh God, make us prepare. Oh, nice.
Yes, mommy.
God good. So when you start,
Me I start tomorrow.
wow, so soon.
Yeah.
Oh God, wonderful. God is wonderful. So you have everything lined up. What time you start?
Tell us say start 6 to 12.
Oh yes, yes. So 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh wow, another one you did go for? That you
Yeah.
didn't have the interview for?
Yeah.
My girl power that me say, girl power, we're proud of you. So you have everything lined up?
Yes, mommy.
Oh God, you see that now even God have ease on the rain. So you have your uniform and everything lined
I have
up?
everything.
You have fear?
No, I'm not fear.
Huh?
No, I'm not fear.
You have fear?
No.
No? Alright. You always catch me the good news when me drive. Me have to go cook a celebration dinner.
Yes, mommy.
Everything. What you want? What you want?
Anything you cook.
Alright. Me I go down the road. Alright. Me I go see Miss Tiny. And me I go get 2 lobster from her. Cause we have to celebrate this.
Alright,
And then the high class job you get what you want. I'm proud of you, I'm proud of you, I'm proud of you, so still. Alright. When me I got paid and when the rain ease off, me I go run down to Miss Tiny and get the lobster and thing. What you want to with?
Tell me with rice.
Now I'm gonna get some jasmine rice. No ordinary rice today, my dear. Congratulations, we're proud of you.
Boy, I'm so tired. No, no, do me. But guess what?
What happened?
I'm hungry.
Oh, guess what?
What?
The man I still have to go look for him, never find him.
What happened?
My best friend find him.
Yeah, your best friend something that day.
Yes. And she get 20,000 from the man.
Yeah.
She give me 10.
Oh. So you're in it for the money?
So what else me that? What else me there for?
Oh well.
And you could have get that 10 then and you would hungry. Look
I
there.
don't want it. I don't want the old man. The man big and old and ugly.
Stop with yourself. Stop. Watch the looks. Think about the figures.
Me, I go watch the looks. You see. What your friend I do?
Him a pimple, the man.
Me would advise your life say if you continue to do that with her. Cause I been a tell her for there once, so me no want you to do that.
How should I be a bigger one? Me or you?
Well, it might be a bigger one, but I'm in a school and I have more sense.
Well, clearly if you did have more sense, you would have hungry now.
Shut up, you chat too much. As me I say now, you see that friend them I have a feeling say I go double cross you. Cause you say cause a little money now. What if he did get a 50 grand and he might tell us you 20 and get and send you 10?
That's not possible for my friend that I may work with her. You just bad man. You ever have second thoughts for everything.
I know bad man, you have to have second thoughts.
Everything you have second thoughts span.
Well, you have to have it. Me have a feeling say him go double cross you in the future. Cause which friend I go get money and I go give you half and I go tell her say, oh me get this and oh me get that. I tell your friend liar. Oh well, your name can't continue the liar, but me not think you go get no out of that day. Yeah. If you continue 10 grand can go build your house or buy you know you can go get millions from it.
At least me not hungry like you.
Well, yeah, my bigger sister, you fi feed me. Me I go be here, I wash my body.
Okay.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
me a come go work now.
Big worker, big job. You excited?
Yeah, me excited.
All right, you have everything?
Yeah, me everything.
So you know in your uniform?
Me uniform and me bag.
Oh.
We wear clothes and we go work, we change off.
Okay, yeah, I suppose keep it cleaner and
Yeah.
all right, God go with you here.
Yeah,
Have a good and safe day.
Alright, Mommy.
And keep her from bad company. When anybody you see there want cause problem and want come so, keep it shut. You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. May I beg you, don't lose this job. It's a blessing you get here.
Yes, Mommy.
All right, and then soon maybe we can come out of this old place and do better.
Yes, Mommy.
All right, God go with you here.
Alright, Mommy.
All right, proud of you, my daughter. We're proud of you. Big
Boy. Alright. So, So, you don't feel like say, half my money where I get, me can get some too.
How much money?
You know money where I get from your friend, what's else money?
Me can't get a little, 2 grand out of it.
I really me help and give me 2 grand.
Yeah, I got school. Me can't get a little 2 grand for do your little accessory, you know, buy a little toilet to see you.
But that they can't do no after me done buy one set of pad that done. Nothing no left in that.
Me never say me a get on for buy pad. Me say toilet to see you, rub it to see and put on a panty seat.
Me and you look like the same thing? No, we're not. Large difference.
And one more thing.
Wow.
Feel like me need to turn up for you one. You can see me properly. You see when y'all talk to me?
What?
Don't talk to me like me and you a size.
Yeah, damn right size.
Me and you
and
is,
shoes.
Me is not size, you know.
No, size
Me is
enough
not
clothes
size.
and shoes, nigga.
And you see next time you talk to me about money,
What?
you must get something for me first before you talk to me about money.
Get what?
If you are sweet, you just come ball out this song. Some of the money where you ain't friend again. And first of all, I'm not thinking again. I'm just thinking about you. I'm not again. No.
But just say, me find a man, and then me go up there and me tell him and say, if girl where my chat for your friend, bet me. Eh? Bet
That's
me.
kind of cruel.
I don't cruel. And you want to play that the game there now? So me just do it too.
Me did give you the man. You name want the man. You see how you unfair?
I don't
You see
unfair.
how you want the man money now. You see?
Me don't want the man money.
So when
You get the money, so it's your money. It come out of him possession, so it's yours. So you have to get it and you give me.
Oh. So you think that's how life go?
Maybe.
Me tell you if you go out there and shake up a little bony body pan the man.
No, I didn't for shake. By the time I shake, me feel like I'm a back me a shake off and me never have back.
You see, I attract the man. See that my friend.
Oh,
the
yeah,
man.
attract your man.
And one more thing.
What?
From the last time, no me I think about him one day when me give you 2 grand from the last time that girl give me 10 grand. Me not get no more. How funny?
Me tell her so she not go get
You laugh like I want duck. How funny? Why you dey laugh?
I am my big sister. Okay, bigger duck.
Okay.
Me say, me did tell you, say, a girl did I go, hey, me did tell you, and
Come
then
on.
listen to me. Me tell her, say, then I go get back no more money from the girl. Me tell her, say, she don't try your luck and try there with the man. So if you and the man a friend, they say people we are friend before for them relationship work out better.
Listen to me.
What?
That's to make you funny.
Mm-hmm.
Me don't think of that. Maybe she does not get no more money. How she mash up people like me? No,
If we are how you talk about that, the man, them, me not think so.
If I go call her.
Yeah, call her. Call her. Me go shite.
You gonna do?
Shite.
Oh.
Shite means shit.
Me know say shit, you go
Okay.
shit. Girl, how are you the cause? Me a calling you right now, a emergency. Okay, meet me under the bamboo tree, me now walk come so far. Ah. Cause I wonder if I true. Cause scam, she a scam.
Go this a girl that said me if you meet her bamboo tree and I know me can't see her. Hello. Girl, it takes so long. Why
No,
take so long?
cause I walk, I think me a robot. You think I just know them here? Hello, anyway. I'm come out here about sales, you know. Is you man again no money?
Yeah. You send me 40 cents. Where's Suzanne for?
120.
For the phone, you go send you.
Oh.
You give me money in my hand?
Send it. Now 20,000 dear. And money me here to say demands?
No, girl, if you
No,
talk
me
about
just
money.
here say, me want 20,000.
Yeah, because she owe me alone and now she not pay me. Not no money, man. And what you want to look for?
Remember you owe me 5 grand.
Me tell her say, she fi send me money and she don't send me as if me don't got no money. You say me not like your style? You see the power road.
You know, me realize you don't know. None of them take time to talk. Cause when you borrow me money, you said me I get it back January the 2 and a September now. Give me my money.
Me
Every
have
time me I come and me see you,
But me not have it, me dear.
I see you run.
I don't got no money.
You need to give me some
But
for
me
that
not-
pan then. When me I get my money, girl? When me I get my money?
Oh, when you give me my money? Kayla? Yes. Me I just send money come give you.
What? Me?
Yes, you. Coca-Cola girl. And me ya talk about.
Big yard, girl, and my money you fi give me.
Allah, she a tell you can't see the mascara. A little big mouth girl, thinking old girl. Don't River Baton girl. When you come from and send me money, me just send it by your phone. Move further. But the telephone you come from and send me money. Say, girl, you can't see them the mad girl, you know. Them the girl that lick their head. You can't see them.
It is now 5:19.
Yeah.
Me want my money by 5:30. Me a go down the road and me a come back and me want my money. You understand? You don't understand?
Mm.
Well, try understand.
Forget that nonsense. I don't know how I'm pimp out the man. B,
I want babes.
Me there.
You good?
Yeah. You don't know, say. All 5 grand me I beg you.
5 grand.
Yeah.
They come on no money, I know all ships already, so me not have them the money there. But anyway, still me have 1 6 grand and me that try hold on pan for if anything emergency me can pull you off and me can. So me go send a 5 grand and left back myself with $1,000.
Alright. But you get it back, you know.
How me I get it back?
You're going to get it back. Don't worry yourself. You're going to get it back.
How? Me I work and I know how. You know work, so how
Me ask you something. You know just me.
Yeah, be me have to trust you cause me there. If me never trust you, me ain't one there.
Alright. But, you know, say, me have one work.
Mm-hmm.
See, when me go send you back your 5 grand, me go double it.
Double it.
Yeah.
Me not understand.
I'm going to double it. You give me 5 grand, right? Me go double it, put more money on it, and send it back home give you.
Why you do be if you double the money?
Don't worry yourself.
Me have to worry.
Me at work
Since when?
last week.
So how me don't know about that? You hide things from me now.
No, so me just can't tell you.
But I
Fine.
found last week that me should have known from last week, not this week.
But anyways, you know, say me tell my friend say me phone meet her. So, me go let you know and go back to my friend.
Me was send you 5 grand for your card. And
Alright.
me not look back for it because me don't know when you start work and me don't know where your money will come from. But if you can give me it back and double it, I would appreciate it still.
So I know me tell you.
But make sure I work in the work.
Yeah.
Yeah, but okay, I'm going to show me your work on the end there.
Alright. But anyways, me I go back to my friend now. So later.
Alright, do that.
Yeah. B, you know, say, me get 40 grand, right?
Yeah. You get it or you make it?
Me make it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, me make it.
So, like how you make 40 grand, you have to send me 20 out of that for me card, you know. So, make it transfer now. And tell me when you finish.
Look if you come.
But be, remember, if 5 grand, send me 5 grand and you borrow from what there.
Oh, I mean, say me a double it, so. And I get 15. Look if that come.
Alright, me get it.
Alright.
But be, you don't understand. Where they do, you get 40 grand. You don't understand. Where they do?
Me a work.
Work.
Yeah,
What kind of work?
hotel work.
You sure say I do hotel work?
Yeah.
Alright. Anything I say now, just make sure you can prove it.
Yeah.
Sure, you come please back with me and you come stay for 1 3 minutes in a gone.
Me soon gone back a mommy.
Every time you come here, you're soon gone back home. You didn't even, forward you realize, you know, you didn't even would stay with me, look a bit and keep me company. What you expect?
B,
Yeah.
you know, say me no want to rain catch me on the road, me have to go back home. Yeah.
So, I know road they catch up on my yard, but if you have to go home, you do that and come back later or tomorrow.
Alright. Later.
Alright.
Mommy! Morning, mommy.
Morning, baby. All right.
Yes, mommy.
You me want sick, but me never want wake you because you come in late last night. Me want go on the road. Me want sick. I don't know how. Me don't want pressure, you know. Cause you just start the work. But me have to go deal with a certain business. Because why certain people are pressure me for money and why I wonder if you can help me. I wonder if you can help me back with the 10,000.
Mommy, right now, I don't know why only 2 grand I have.
2 grand?
Yeah.
Alright. Me not pressure you still, can you just start the work? Hold on to it. I'll find a way. Me just have to go rob Peter for PayPal. Been doing that for how many years? Me not pressure you. Okay, you're gonna need fear and you're gonna need lunch and everything. So, where you work again? Tell me the name of the hotel. Cause me always forget for ask you. Come want to expose my daughter and tell everybody so my daughter in a big work and work for which hotel?
Mommy, I remember any of my hotel.
Huh?
I remember any of my hotel.
No, me I thought the hotel where you work.
Yeah, I tell someone I remember any never look.
So how you get jobbery and you don't know where you work? Mine, you know. You don't know the name of the hotel? So how you get the work that you don't know the name? You know where you go every day?
Me know. Not really, but when me go back to work, me look for your name. I'm going to tell you. Right at this moment, me never did look for it. Me too excited for your work. I don't appear now. Mine are the name.
Alright. Well, when you find the name, because I have to pick up my daughter, you know, in our big job. So, I want you come tell me the name today. Because from today, we put it on my social media. We put it on everything so my daughter have big job. And people ask me. So I must can tell them where you work and thing. So, alright. Me will make it work. Me will rob Peter for PayPal. Alright, so I don't want to pressure you. But get the name of the hotel, man. Cause that not sound right to me. So get the name of the hotel. You go work today?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. Well, me I go on the road. Me have to go hustle things up sooner than I did think. Alright?
Alright, mommy.
Alright. So be safe at work. Alright?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. Me see you when you come home.
Alright, mommy.
Alright. Me will have dinner ready for you.
Alright.
Oh, God.
Kayla! What happened, girl?
You know about to smile with me, no.
How
You
happened
wanna
now?
come skin off your 32 teeth in the head with me, no. You feel like I may forget boy yesterday? But the money there, me not send the money transfer to my account.
Boy, Kayla. Me give me man and me give me mother. Nothing no left.
So you don't know, say whenever you collect money, you're supposed to split in a half. Half for you and half for me. How your mother and your man coming at this? Eh?
Well, my did ask for a piece of money and they have some else.
Me tell you how to do then. Because I don't get the money, I need my monthly allowance. You go and look for the man today, go and link him today. I go and set up a face. I go and go to him and tell him, say, your mother need a heart transplant. And it don't cost $1 million. So, when you go and ask him, don't ask him like, say, you know, say, you have money, because he have money, you just go and look sad and pretty for face and sad in a one and say, my mother need a heart transplant, I don't know how I'm going to do it and $1 million it cost, you know?
Yeah.
Where you tape on supper? Me God. No laugh with me, girl. Because you say you don't need money, I'm not joking.
Cause me can't be say, so why you take your money and give your man? You work for your man?
No.
So why you take your money and give your man? I'm me tell you this. This year, sir, the way me did this, yo. It was not, me for me for this, but you see people ask more money. Me now have plan to give that girl her money yet, you know. Because when she did owe me, she owed me for 2 years the last time. And I 5,000 me owe her for how long, for what a kill full up. I mean, I plan to give her it. So, get the money from the man today and send it to my phone. And you know, say half of the 1 million me want.
Yeah.
To get in your head, because you love take your money, go give man and mother. Come, you know, man and your mother come in this conversation. In this business. And your man give the man?
No.
And your mother give the man?
No.
And who give the man?
You.
So who forget half of the money?
You.
Good. So you go and deal with it and make me get the money.
Alright.
Me there away pan you. Call or text me.
Alright, me soon come.
Boy, you give your mother and your man half of the money. Where them coming at this? Me dear.
Umi.
Oi,
Morning.
morning, you good?
Yeah, me alright. You alright?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
You do road early, man.
Yeah. You know say I want piece of food me want go collect.
Eh?
Yeah.
What kind of food that there?
Money.
Where you get money from? I not pay there yet.
No, me boss. Me go check me boss. For your money.
What, for your advance? And you
Yeah.
wait? Okay, so how much kind of money, so?
$1 million.
$1 million? $1 million?
Yes, mommy.
And what kind of advance that you would do and get $1 million for?
Big job.
Big job? No, sir. What kind of big job you do?
You want me tell you say how tell me I work, you know? You want me tell you say my one job will pay enough money?
Hold on. I run the hotel or own the hotel to get $1 million?
Something like that.
You have to take a picture of the hotel because me want to see exactly where you work. You get that kind of money. That not sound right. $1 million? You sure not $10,000 them say?
No, $1 million.
And then no monopoly money?
No. $1 million my money. Me pay.
What kind of work or sell or whatever you do so for qualified for that kind of money, Bree?
Mommy, where you do a hotel when you work a hotel?
Me know I'll manage of a big hotel and I get that in the kind of money. $1 million?
Me work
Jamaican
overtime.
dollar?
Work overtime. When I work overtime and give you more money. Pay you more money.
Yeah, man, come I born yesterday. I'm a born big. All right. $1 million. Make sure you take a picture. Because you not have no memory to tell me where you work and the name of the hotel you work. And today, me have to know where you work.
Yes, mommy.
Because me want to know where I go pay them the kind of money. And anyway, anything can happen. We must can say, my daughter work for X, Y, or Z. Yeah?
Alright, mommy.
All right. So, go on, but be careful. Because me want to know what kind of work you really do get $1 million.
Alright, later. Me soon come back to you.
All right, my the road. Be careful.
Yeah.
She must have think to me born yesterday. $1 million for hotel work. What in the dark must come in the light. Oh.
Papa. Evening.
Well,
Me there.
all is well.
Not really.
What do you mean by not really?
My mother sick with she want heart surgery. She going to do heart
Sick?
surgery. Yeah.
My God. We didn't know that. That first news to me. So, what really go wrong, though?
Me don't know when I do mommy, you know, but he get up in a man and say heart hurt him and he got a doctor and he said
Heart
need
hurt him.
surgery.
So, how much is that heart surgery?
Me don't know if I can manage it, but $1 million.
1 million. 1 million. Well, it's a good look. Don't worry, everything will get control. Yeah, everything will normalize. 1 million, no problem. I think I did more than that. That's no problem.
Alright.
So here what you're gonna do now. You're gonna link me back tomorrow. in about 1 o'clock. Right?
Yeah.
I'm going to have you prepare already because I cannot transfer 1 million to your bank go holy.
Alright.
So I'm rather go dry. What matter yet, me have US up. I'm going to add them up and see how much 1 million value in a hit. And you deal with the mother situation.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright. So tell her I said just hold on a bit till tomorrow.
Alright, thanks.
No problem. B,
Wambi,
where you come from?
me I come from my boss.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh. So I go on good.
Yeah, me alright. Money me did go for cause me I'll get $1 million from him. Forget $1 million from him.
$1 million?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure.
I'm just gonna go beg you for your money, you know? B, me have a car come down. Crown. 800,000 more if you can clear it. You know, I can put your foot on the dashboard.
Yeah.
So you say, let me get it.
Alright, me make you get it.
You're sure about that?
Yeah, me sure.
Alright, me I wait pan you know, cause I car for clear, you know, so we can have it for drive, you know.
Alright.
Alright. So where I go now?
Me good on your road.
Make sure you come look for me later.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Kayla!
Yeah.
What girl?
Me there.
Yes, you don't know, say me get the money.
Right.
What should I for?
My share.
Me not get it till tomorrow.
But you not get the money?
No, the man saying can't send it through phone cause 1 million can't send through phone. The bank will take off. So we give me cash.
So tomorrow, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1 o'clock.
Tomorrow 1 o'clock I go for.
Yeah.
Alright, so listen to me. See tomorrow when I go. Don't bother look excited when them gate. Send them a gate if you can't try to mess with him. Say you're sure?
Yeah.
You're sure? See when you all this cash, you don't have to give me, you know. You have to look like you look sympathy from him, you understand?
Yeah.
Right. So tomorrow you go collect your money. As you collect your so, ring me phone. Come forget my half.
Yeah.
Yeah. And nobody mess up your plan, you know. Do not mess up the plan. Cause if you ever go up there and say something out, you move to them face, because sometimes I'm afraid to mess up your plan, you know.
No man, me not do that.
Cause sometimes I feel like see your brain tick.
No.
It really tick out. Up till now, it does a soak in my brain like, how you really look for your man and give your man money and another your man send up, another your man link up with him. And me give you the man. And me, you must get half of the money. Not your man. Not your mother, you understand?
Yeah.
So don't do that foolishness there again.
Right.
So, when you go up there, sweet up yourself. Sweet, not too sweet up yourself. Make yourself smell like a frownsy. Yeah, not beard. Yeah, cause you can't go up there and say, give a little extra money and say, buy a soap.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, me
You have to know if you
understand.
pimp out the man good, you know?
Yeah.
So, you know, no little dividends in your pocket.
No, me not have none.
Alright, you can't go your yard steals, but you know no sense. Cause me not like how you take you all that money give your man. And then give me none. Me never like that. You tell the truth. Me never like you.
Anyways, tomorrow 1 o'clock me come check you when me get the money.
You get the money 1 o'clock, you check me 101.
Alright.
Right.
Yeah.
You don't know you wait through the door. You
Alright,
talk
later.
like you don't know you wait through the door.
See I run me for.
Because you turn up and you have no money.
Alright then. Later.
Uncle, you know say, over there you had me a come, but me glad me see you right this.
What's your problem now?
I want to ask you a serious question. You have money?
Shut your mouth, you must know that already.
So I'll make you dress so. You
Oh.
can't trim her. Look on the crooks where they now. Half your foot back out the door.
Because I try to find love, and the only way you can find love is just raggedy.
I when you just ruggedy girl still use you never know that.
No, then you idiot! How them all know if me have money? I just pretend like I am broke. You understand? Cause no one.
Anyways, me then like a emergency. And like a money business.
We call money business now. Because
Over school.
me know me give you good amount of money we clear off all of the 4 term them in a college. Right? And I give you a good portion of it carry you and me pay for the room where you are staying at.
Wait no. You pay for
half of the term, which is 2 term left now.
How you mean by me?
Because we did my friend and did a go up on one boat cruise and something, so me did want go on there, so if you bring her back, so me did want money for buy back and something, so me did only pay for 2 term and use the other 2 term, pay for go up on it and buy rum and go.
So you go up on boat, go cruise out, me there you were rich. I have money. Put on.
Uncle, you have to live your life like there is no tomorrow. So when tomorrow come, you worry about tomorrow.
I mean, never think of go on a boat cruise. Are you gone on boat cruise?
Me young.
Even when me a fly out, me no book first class.
See, me not touch plane yet, so me have to touch it.
Me no want no.
You're lucky you touch plane. Me not touch plane yet. From Weppy Kill full up, promise me a plane ride. I don't know.
Listen me, until me see you get good past college, then give you a plane ride. I cannot put up on a plane now. I am trying to find a good woman when me can live in my business place. So me gone back a foreign, go see the place run good. The last time me put your mother in my place run as my good old sister, and me expect say, yeah, my money I go stay in the bank. Your mother robbed me up.
Friend rob me too.
Like I see anything you do now.
No, Uncle, me not rob him, no. Education is the key to survival.
Yeah.
So, I just 2 term I pay for and just little lunch money for 2 term, man.
You see how life funny now.
New uniform or something.
Me as an uncle, me need have to pay for it, you know. But I just show me have the money and I know how to do it.
See, you don't know if you do with it. You see, more $500,000.
Oh, you what happen?
$500,000. I want new.
Check me tomorrow, 2 o'clock.
Yeah, tomorrow, them always, yeah, that tomorrow, and you had that tomorrow, and you had that tomorrow, and you had that tomorrow.
Alright, yeah, go for yard. Better yet. Go for yard, right? You see the safe, we're under the kitchen cupboard, the code at 2424. Just take out $500,000 out of it.
So more than half you have in there?
Huh?
Alright, me I go down there get it.
Listen what me say now. $500,000 you
So
take
you have more
out.
than $500,000 there?
We have about 650,000. So left the 150,000 there. Just take out $500,000 and left it 150.
Are you there to take me for?
All the painting man money me left up there actually not come today.
So come.
So I don't know that time if I eat that me take it for. So make sure you left it 150 so in time you go a bank tomorrow. Me can put the other 500. You come like you're alright, you go on, yeah?
Mommy, they offer me. You don't know, say, me go use your name and say you have heart surgery for do. And me take him man money, I don't know if you pay him back.
A dream made a dream.
No, I realize they offer me. I have more a friend. The man when me take him $1 million from me say you have heart surgery.
Me have heart surgery?
Yes.
And me I call that dump pan? Hey?
Mommy, they offer me, and my friend offer me too.
After you for the war?
Because me figure half of the money and me tell her say me no get no money.
So everybody a general. Everybody a general. You think so me did born big? Hey? All this time you come think so me a dodo bird. And I tell me say you have big job and I earn $1 million advance. You think so me a idiot? The pig you raise, me raise the mother and the granny done dead already. Hey? Which man you thief money off of?
One man with my friend, he tell me about.
Okay. So friend you go follow.
Yes, mommy.
And I go put my life in danger. So which heart surgery me supposed to have, little girl? Don't nonsense me when me I talk to you. Which heart surgery me supposed to have? And that you call down for me?
No, mommy.
Me sick with my heart. You see me sick with my heart?
No, mommy.
And that you call down for me? So how much you get? You get what?
1 million.
And you actually get the money? You get the money?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. You get the money.
Yes,
And
mom.
what you give me, eh? You don't bring nothing in for me. You don't bring nothing in for me, eh? I want unalive me and tell lie about my sickness, eh? I ain't even carry one red cent, come give me. Little girl. Me nah make you mad me in here, you know. It nah go up, eh? Not $1 million. It nah go up. Take your cockroaches and come out to me yard.
So you put me out.
They put you out.
And
You
they offer me, they might kill me.
and then them a go come here and unalive me. Come here and unalive me and mistaken me for you. Look for you and unalive me. Me no have no picnic. From this day forth, me mark me ex, me no have no picnic. Take your cockroaches and come out to me yard. Take your cockroaches and come out to yard. Me want in ya. Come out to me yard. $1 million you get, And you see how me are struggling, yeah? Million. What you do with the $1 million?
You give me boyfriend.
Come on to me, yard. You give your boyfriend girl, let me come on to me, yard. $1 million, you don't even look at your mother and say, fat. How are this? No, sir.
Slimmers, see your part, sir.
You not get a message?
You think a joke? You think a prank, yeah, a prank?
Did you see the camera?
I never seen no camera. But actually, when the TikTok thing come down, we just a video phone call and a video text or some style and post it and I laugh.
Hello. Me no want you.
You mean you don't want me?
You can't do nothing for me again.
Through my foot broke, you go left me?
Right now, more money. You can't give me it.
Right now. But I can give you probably look more or tomorrow.
Want it now. As me snap my fingers so. Want to reach now me
You can't
hand.
roast on a fairy tale list. Real life. On a fairy tale list, man.
That's what me you can do. And you need to go in a bed again.
When you foot better, man, I go better in a bed.
No, sir.
Peace, tell and so.
Me can't wait so long.
Me can't wait so long. Me still can't work, you know.
No.
Panny 1 foot, you know. You don't know where to deal with it. I saw me, I got to deal with it, man. Panny 1 foot. Me can't do it same way. You have to just give me a chance.
That's too tough.
Me can't do it harder to I don't want to hurt myself on the wall, but you know where go already. If I say, right man for you, know, so me can't do me so.
Daddy can't choose for me. He's not the right man for me.
What?
Huh?
So what happened now? Talk to me now. Talk to me. Cause right now, me not happy
I'm not
right now.
talking with you right now.
Eh?
I'm not talking with you. My broke like dog and I no money.
Me I get money for this, man. No worry yourself, man. Weekend money I come. Enough money.
Show me $100 right now.
Eh?
Show me $100 right now.
Me spend it. Me spend it, master. But weekend money, what day a weekend? Enough money. You know,
I can't wait for a weekend. My money in my hand.
Tell me alone up your house, eh?
See, as it touch 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, me for get money. Right away.
Weekend?
No. You see, as they like money for it reaching in my hand. See, mornings, when it touch 6 o'clock, money in my hand. You see that evening? When it touch 5, money in my hand.
Can't believe I made those things. Can't believe
Somebody
it.
better than you still.
Who?
Somebody.
So you can't tell me who?
No. Find out for yourself.
Everything good. Don't worry yourself so much. Big up yourself, yeah? Big up yourself.
And somebody go take care of you, though. Later.
Yes, son-in-law. Backside, you must get a drinking idea.
Wrong name, bossy. Wrong name, that bossy. Me not say that again, bossy.
Huh?
Me not say that again.
Why?
The daughter left me a while ago. He sent a message before, so I'm thinking a prank. But he just
My daughter dumped you?
Your daughter dumped me, so my foot broke. Me not working, so me not good in the bed again.
So my daughter worry about sex.
Yeah.
That love.
Yeah. Must say me can't work for give him no money. Say I want money every day. I say wait money for in a hand.
I see how this go like mother like daughter. Cause I don't like father like daughter, and I like mother like daughter. Cause that's why mama left me, you know. He mama left me because one night me go drink and come in. And poor Jimmy couldn't get up. Jimmy was sleeping.
You couldn't make that, Papa. How to make that?
And the woman go next door. But one of my enemy.
Me ask my window, but he not tell me. I'm going to anything true. Me can't want to tell me, because I know some do things, you know.
You see, in life, this when you get a woman and they don't cherish you, you don't run them down.
Me can't run them down right now.
You look what happened.
You know, see, me can't run them right now. Look on my foot. Me can't run them
God,
down.
that's what you're saying. You see, maybe I want look start girl take up on the bike, and the bike run off somewhere and broke your foot. Sometimes you have to think about that. You see, some of women we too greedy.
You know which way?
We have good woman, and yet we can't out a road and take up some other
No,
side.
when I say greedy for you, know which way? Food?
No.
What?
Woman wise. Yeah,
No, you can't greedy for woman, my father. If you greedy for woman, food you greedy for. Food.
No, you have man greedy for woman. They have them good old woman a yard and yet them a run down back our next woman out a road.
Some woman, some man.
Most man.
You're greedy.
99.9.
Say if you're greedy.
No, but me I try to show you something. 99.9 of them good woman a yard and then take up disease out a road.
That's true.
That's why AIDS can never stop give. What you call it? What that one? The bullet one, what name?
Oh, gonorrhea.
Right. That's why most of them have gonorrhea. Because they are them good woman a yard and then go, let's go see one girl and then just take it. Boom! One shot of pow! Doctor don't and then come in and give the woman and then blame him for the woman, you know.
That's true.
Blame him for the woman, say the woman a cheat, you know.
And them a go to road the thing.
And them a go to road go do things.
But you know me not do nothing, me work.
Me don't know that.
What?
So how my daughter that left you?
What me tell you say a while ago?
What?
Me foot broke. Me can't give her no money. I can't perform in her bed. I said she tell me. But
Well,
me can't deal with it.
Me can't talk to her about it. Me can't talk to her about the broke foot part. But me can't talk to her about the profound good in her bed.
And the
Because
money part.
if you know your Jimmy can't get up here, you use the tongue. You should have just do that and make
So
she get up.
yo. So when time for your woman, and you gotta go drink a paper rum, and Jimmy now work, you use tongue.
No, me tongue no use neither. If one Jimmy dead, tongue dead too. So you should have do that.
Aye, sir. Take your word for it, sir.
Queer, how we go?
You know, say, brother, me go check. You the one?
No, you know, say just see me and ask me. And who me there with
I
do?
feel like say a full time now if you tell me brother say yo, I'm me and you a deal.
Yeah, you that?
I know say you that, but I'm a brother that, you know. I remember say, the man take care when in the ups, so you can't deal with the man them type of way there.
Me not ready for tell him yet. Martin find out half I'm on.
Yeah, probably want to put me in with my brother, you know. So anyways, we go up and so go sit down and talk.
Come on.
Because I'm not really one thing go sit down.
That's true.
You know, so between me and you still, me think a full time for make my brother know what I go on.
That's true. I agree with you.
Because you know, go make me and my brother and things, you know.
Yeah, him not in nothing.
Hello, I'm
You
my
just
brother.
accept it.
I'm my brother that, and if him see me and you move certain type of way, I want to rush me and I have to go kick him in the foot. I mean, I want to do my brother that. You see me?
So, if him ex left him and go to him brother, something wrong?
No, that look how weird, yo. It gotta go look like he's something, to you, man. You know look right. You look right here.
He look right for me.
Mama, we have to just make him nigga know what is what. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, I'm a blood brother. You see me? Alright, watch out. When we see him back, me and him, and we just make him know what is what.
No problem.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
And then we just, because me tell us I don't really like.
Yes, yeah. Daddy, where am I near, buddy?
No, man, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Job on this. Job on you already got a job on, brother. Lift up your hand. Lift up your hand. Lift up your hand.
Daddy.
Lift up your hand.
Daddy, what me to you?
The brother. Yeah, man, I'm your man. Are you? Yeah. Sit down, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Me a reason with her. So, job on is what you doing, so.
Him dead.
So him did right. You dump him.
Daddy.
But him brother.
Daddy, stop going so job on the hand, not figure we again, and I see. He need to can't stand up.
Me a busy about to the sex life. Because he had tongue. Me not business for that. Me talking about this right now. How you fulfill with one brother skin out, the one brother that can come give the next brother. Yeah, you that?
In the pan in 2 foot, in the pan 1.
Watch out now, my brother time kinda expire now, you see me?
Tell him again.
And you?
Watch out now. Watch out now.
What kind of brother you be?
Watch out now. Me I take care of him, brother. I don't know, nothing wrong with that. Make him go and heal up for him foot, man, and go
So
on.
you see life?
Daddy, I want me to you.
I said you see life?
You never whore out too.
Who?
Yo!
Whore out how?
Mommy tell me everything about you.
Your mother was a kettle.
And you was a what?
She look like you follow in her footsteps. Eh? Your mother used to have man a jump through my window. Every time you come in the door, lock me can't be on
You
the
look at her under her bed, she hide them.
You see you? If you don't change your lifestyle, me I tell you the truth. So when film foot broke, I them pooper, you gonna take.
Mm-hmm.
What you say?
This one I try to show you. Right, mother
I
like
mean
that.
it because him a chat.
You know some, me not trust a girl. Go on with the father. Get up and go on with the father. Get up.
I don't know like that.
Get up and go on here with the pooper. I'm to you. Get up, man. Get up. Get up from the child. Get up. Go on here, yeah.
Disgusting, bro. Anyway,
Go on up with that.
like how you have my new son-in-law.
Yeah.
Me I look at juice. I juice much.
You look at me and run shop.
This is the reason why me rate your brother more than you. He's a cheap child.
So now you rate me better then. Go on up, man.
You see you.
That's a big man enough for the beg. Go on up, man.
I this.
Me not this your brother, but
Alright.
me and my
Don't
brother are
move.
two different. So,
Don't move.
me not want me to move for.
Don't move.
Babes, where you do done here, so?
Eh?
Where you do done here?
And my boss me there saw wait pan if you come check me with a uncle thing.
What you mean?
Me a wait for my boss to come check me cause if you go pan a little thing little more, you know. So me there wait for me, you there pan?
Me there, you know, you alright?
Yeah man, me active man. You cook up a yard eh?
Yeah. Anyways, come, we are good on.
Boy, when I name some of the food that's in
Come on!
loud. Ah, yes, okay. Bro.
I go now.
Why you pray?
Damn father, man, I
Think
go on
good.
with
I know
a
so
rice
this
easy.
for your be little while up.
That left me last. That left me, man.
Eh?
That left me, dog.
Georgia youth, all any mad that the nigga they take for your woman. Wicked, you know?
That me as about a normal praying. Don't
Yeah
tell
man,
me
if
say
you catch
what
him
go
man
on.
on my broke him foot, me I tell a boy.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Boy.
No, me
Maybe
there
you
with
say-
moms and thing. Moms come check me up everywhere they and safe. Everywhere if you go away, you see me? So yeah man, me a drop down pan here, go see me can what I eat. Go here, there, thing.
Yeah, what you eat?
Me
Yeah, man, I gotta eat some.
you go find and get a new
True, but
one.
what I know we are going to eat? Shouldn't I eat them? Food, eat.
That we do
Jaden
no
eat.
man. Also,
Which eat?
I gotta consume some food then. Bad.
Necessary.
You go do it.
Me there, man, I easy. So
All
rough
right,
life
my
easy,
picnic.
you know?
Come on, no babe.
Alright, necessary.
Hi, God, now what's hot? Where?
Babes. Let me wait for you.
Where you do ya?
You know me I do you. Me can't come check you again, baby.
Me and you left. Where do me yard?
You still for you there.
Easy yourself, man, baby. You're mine. Give me come check, man. I can't
You know,
come.
sorry, when me there Congo?
Road here, Congo.
Yeah.
Just come, man. Come in, come easy yourself.
Yes, my son-in-law, you there?
Me there, daddy, come look for me, woman. Yeah.
Lord. Me and you not there.
Hello.
A prank, man. I must prank.
Hello. Listen, my of infam, you know.
Say what?
My of infam.
Yo, big man. Talk to me, man.
Huh?
Talk to me, no.
Wow.
Daddy, you know, say that's why mama left you came out enough you.
I'm not talking. Not my time for talk. I'm not talking. Relax. I'm not busy with that. My son-in-law. Anyway. The rough part here, you know, both way. Both way rough.
I mean, both way. Give me first way.
Well on. Me not some person listen to me. They go road.
Hello. Me talking. The man, see it? How long you out just to sit down?
Oh, 1, 2, 3 hour now.
You there. I in that house. Or 2, 3 hour.
Yeah, I know I'm ready for go
This
road.
is love. This is love. If this a man that can sit down and wait for you, Right? How would you call me? You're well lucky. As much as I called me one time, is this a man that
How would you man that?
You know, worry about me. Worry about your situation.
I'm a new
like
stepmother.
yourself.
More meet her.
Girl, I don't want to get the clutch stick, you know. I don't want to get. You love me, daughter?
Hey, me, somebody else right now.
What name, love?
You know, love. Right now, go for your knife and give me heart. That is love.
Yeah, you that? You think so? I am going to take out my heart. You want a woman and tell him to me love her?
Me love her.
You fool your fart. When you take out your heart...
No, your daughter, me don't feel for your daughter.
Eh?
Me don't feel for your daughter, you know.
Listen,
Me don't believe I'm a father, you know.
You see, woman is like a viper.
Say that a viper.
Then just a stick. No, not every woman. But she a viper. Cause what she a do now, past viper.
What she a do?
Now.
Talk to me, father. What she a do?
Huh?
What she a do? I don't know about.
My job to tell you that. I might pick him and I'll let him down.
Yo, me have a thing can give you.
What's up?
I want to know, sir, you was to spend all them for them. I have 5 bills can give you. You was.
5 bills and no money.
You know?
Even me hard.
No, me not buy pussy in a bag. I don't like the first time. You know. You have to confess to him one day, you know.
Talk to me, father. I can know something, man. Where you hide?
Eh?
Who no hide?
She tell me, say, down the dead. And you know, no use. So I take up somebody else.
Since my foot
But
broke
if
down
somebody else I take up.
Since
You're
foot broke down,
dead.
they're dead.
You're dead.
I'm there so living to talk to you.
You can't turn up.
Jesus Christ, take time and talk and something that make people too much hear than hear. Don't let it pitch you. He's a wicked, you know, girl. What do you mean don't let it? A 3 foot broke down the dead now. I'm not gonna get him down the dead now.
That's a
Take care. Good.
Yes.
Me can't actually foot broke, me can't do it good. Tell me can't do it already. Me show you me can't do it already.
Hold on,
One foot style.
man. Me on the phone with Dr. Foster. Dr. Foster, yeah. My daughter have a problem. Yeah. Yes, ma. You remember my son-in-law, Jabon? When me sitting up there when he
Stop calling
crash
me
off
your
my bike.
son-in-law.
Yes, him same one. Yeah, man, in good. There's a problem, though. Yes, my daughter dump him. She want a different man, but I can't call the man name, you know.
Like you know what I go on, papi.
You don't know what I want, you know, Dr. Foster. And that me call him out, you know, the main part. My daughter say, look at Jimmy dead. So me I wonder if you had nothing for it. Because me don't really want my daughter go the wrong road, you know. I want him date him same way, like a good boy. You want him to take care of the bills, then.
Then you can't make it enough for you.
No man can do that.
I want the
No man can do that.
I'm going to get the clocks, you know, girl.
Mama, where you even go?
Me there from my father.
Well,
Me tell you, wait, me take a look at it.
so why you even pay, daddy?
Cause in the first me for there with my ex. Then no good something like that.
That's my brother. I know good something, man. When you can't work out and look out. Thing.
Me no want him.
My girl, remember I said the man spend par you when him did up. You see me? So nothing wrong if you just go and beer with the nigga.
Me can't bear no longer. Belly want food.
It will get better eventually, you man know that.
It not get better. You look like a hoe better over him.
You see how me and my woman there I live good and with the road. So you know, I never give my woman money, you think? Never. I will never, ever think about that. You see me?
Hello.
Alright, babes?
Hi. Hear me alright?
Right, babes? Okay. No,
They say you don't take care, bun?
No, sir. No.
You trust man?
Woman bun.
Yeah, me trust him.
Okay. She trusts me.
Me can't look
Trust
up
me.
on this.
No, you
What
can't.
you mean by
do
that?
woman that.
Girl, man a dog. No, not all of them, not all of them. Wait, you don't know what bigger than you? Oh.
Anyways, just give my brother a next chance. Just make her, you know, I'm my sister-in-law.
Anyways, me know I hear about this. Check me later. Up our house. What she mean by check later up our house?
Oh, she do want me fix one and sock it for her up there.
What kind of socket?
No, man.
Man.
Our current.
I'm a brother-in-law.
No, current now.
Me no want this, yeah.
Me no want her. Why you never did something like she? Girl, go on home. Go on home for me.
In short, you know, see, me not
Okay.
deal with short guys.
Alright, go on home. Don't worry about her. Here, she want me fix her sock it up the fear because
we don't know
now
get
flow
her, yo.
through.
Oh,
Yeah, so
if
she
you
want
say
me
so.
Yeah, we are going to my yard.
I got you, man, and you.
So you say I go now, babes, you good?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, you need to stop being so crazy. You see me? Stop being so jealous and then look away there.
What do you mean?
You know me I talk about? If you see me on the phone, who you talk to? Any little thing where me I go? Me I go road where me
Yeah,
I go.
me have to know because you're a dog.
You see me on 4 foot, what you mean me a dog?
You whore too much. And any day I find out say you cheat for me and I go like it.
You see that with you now, I be a negativity I think about. You see me?
You soon know.
Me not so we can hold a shower in peace. You want to be here with me?
So we not there?
Yeah, but me not like when y'all look for me some type of way youth. And you touch cheese, bro. You just want, dear. Yeah,
But you belong to me.
With them, me not belong to you. With them. You see me, you can't do them style, brother.
You say any day I find out say you cheat for me. You see there's something the way you have me, I go poppy.
What me I go for cheat?
Any which party I go hit up at night time.
Me go road with the boys, them. You see me? And 1, 2, and 2, 3 girl, you forward. You see me? But none of mine.
You go say so too.
No, for me for you.
You go
What?
say so too.
Say what?
You go say so. You have somebody out there. Stop tell lie.
Yes, I alone me have.
I don't believe that.
You don't think say you in the future more if it's still in the future. You have all of a thing planned for you now?
For real?
Yeah, second
Like what,
down. Second down I have a one you
Yeah, buy me biggest for Spanish Hills.
if your money did it, why not? You know anything, you do anything for my wife. You see me? Married the two and them look away there. You know I'm a babes.
No, so wife, because I don't ring that upon my finger.
Let me say me I go turn her into my wife.
You're gonna pay me?
You're
gonna pay me?
Know how you make it sound, but when people propose upon any you go, I say, will you marry me? And then sound there. But when your time come, you will know what is what.
Me hungry.
You want for this.
Seafood, boy.
That's not no problem. I can go down your road to be with that. I do me have so much to talk about. Go down your road and see what go on.
Where this girl there? Not answer her phone. Joey, come here. She don't know me who. Come here a minute, please. Come quick, man. Move fast. Do me a favor, quick and tank. Go call your sister. Tell her so me call her now. So, no idling. Me want her right here, right now.
Which part exactly in there?
Me no know. Me a call her and she not answer. Go on the road. She's usually at the bamboo tree.
Alright.
Call her and tell her so me want her. No. Alright. Please and thanks. Move fast. Move fast. Aye.
Watching love man like dog. Girl, where are the on the road? Me they go down the road and come back. Awa. Then I know say you man over there look for you. Turn on your voice when you talk to me. You can't turn on my voice. The lady need you over the yard. Which lady? Your mother. We mother. Me not come no way. Remember you not come no way. How me they go down the road and come back? You know say it's a nasty girl though. The time you there so with the man know say you know wash your jaws them we have over there in that bath. Hey. I feel jaws them. You wash your front for a morning? Of course. You clean the room for a morning? Girl, you really come about me on the road? Come on, tell the go like you. Wait on. Come on, tell the go like you're a good girl. You're bad dirty jaws over there. You not clean your room. No, you don't do. You're a nasty girl under disguise. Girl. Come go back to your lady. Come on. Me not go no way. Me I go tell him say me see you on a road with the man. I'm sure no say me no. Shut your mouth. You sure no say me no know say you're a man, you know? No. So come on, before me have to make you know that. You know say you chat too much? Let me know my mouth. You think I'm afraid? Man, what you do, you know? Man, what you do? I dirty jars if you come and come wash. Yeah, dirty jars over there. You know, clean the room for a morning. I lie. Come out here going like you're a good girl, just up in your clothes.
Sure.
I'm a little sister. Come on. Be me see you later, yeah?
Yeah, man, the thing, man. I'm sure you can come out there.
Go so. Come on.
Go on with the sister, man.
Come on! You know something yet? Go off the road, sir. You know something yet, yeah? Me don't like you neither. I mean, my time feel.
You can't see like a chill.
Chat too much. Hello, what you did there?
You know what I see? I walk with man, I hug up with man on the road.
You know, see you chat too much?
Mom, me fi chatting a girl.
Question.
So you can't tap,
Question.
you can't chat.
Me not 18.
Me? Me business about you? See you if you talk today. Me go come call you.
Yes, go in.
Just chat too much.
Don't want to talk to you. Say he's a boyfriend you have. You can talk to me.
Yes, mommy.
All right. The only thing we would say, why you never make me know him?
Mommy, it's just never the right time.
Never the right time. You don't know what the next 5 minutes can bring, the next hour can bring. Me now say you can't have a boyfriend, you know. 'Cause I was 18 once and me have feelings and me know you would have feelings too. But you have to be wise. You have to be wise in these times. You have to use your head, not just your feelings.
So, mommy, me not use my head.
Anybody know him? What him name?
His name Bob.
Bob? What Bob? Bob Marley? Bob what?
Just Bob, mommy.
See that now? Imagine this. Imagine, God forbid, not no gossip, but imagine anything did happen to you. What me going to tell the police now?
Mommy, nothing happened.
Me not even know you leave the house and me never even know say you're gone. Eh? When them go ask me what your daughter was wearing, huh? Who is our friend? Who was she last
Mommy,
seen?
enough of them up saying on me.
Me now say you know if I have feelings on a little boy you go and chat to one thing. But use caution, use your head. You do nothing with him?
No, mommy.
You know about condom?
Yes, mommy.
You use condom?
Mommy, me not have sex.
Me not born yesterday. All me I tell you. If you don't want to tell me for your business.
Mommy, want to go doctor?
Like you no go already.
I'm still a virgin.
Use protection in everything. Protect up there, sir. Protect there, sir. And definitely protect there, sir. You hear?
But condom can protect up yourself.
Use your head for protect it. Huh?
Me hear you, mommy.
And we want to know more about this young man, say, since
Mommy.
you talk about him. Who is him family? Where him live? Where him come from?
Mommy, me I go make you meet him.
Today.
Okay then, mommy.
Soon and very soon.
I want to talk to your little daughter, you hear?
Good what?
Imagine she can disgrace me panty about how me have dirty panty over here fi wash and my room not clean for a morning. What kind of style that?
Well, if you never give her a cause, she wouldn't have chat.
But me not have nothing like that over here.
You're blind.
My room probably dirty, yes, but
You're blind.
me not no dirty panty over here.
You're blind. You're blind. What the room dirty with? Eh? When you come in and you drink and you can't manage it and you just take off your clothes and fling it everywhere. And me have to fling it off of the settee in your room. I beg you please and thanks. Go clean up the place. And don't make me say it twice.
Mommy, you say I'm going there and see no off here. I'm going to take them and throw them out the door.
I would love to see the day name day. You buy nothing for your sister, but you have the right to fling nothing of hers out a door. Let me see it. Please and thanks, go
But I
clean
can't go
up.
in.
You can never give her any shame.
So too much.
Ah, boy. Evening.
Evening.
I had to walk. I woke today. Hey, Mr. Chinaman, go on again, smart, yes, man. Mister! Because it chuck man come there late, so that's why I come out home so late still. We don't need to reach up from 2 o'clock, but that's how you go.
man. Sun done set already.
No worry about that. We don't worry about that. You only want to know something and cheat. Where girls them there? Inside?
Inside.
Okay, so you cook?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
What you cook?
Chicken breast.
Oh, God.
Irish.
Oh, God.
Yam.
Oh,
And
God.
Cream.
Oh, God.
What?
You're not tired of chicken breast? You're not tired of chicken breast? Chicken breast with this, chicken breast with pasta, chicken breast with rice, chicken breast with flour, chicken breast with plantain, chicken breast with banana.
You're not sick for complain. Try do it yourself then.
Miss who in a Miss Leave I talk about chicken breast? I
the only breast if you talk about other than mine. Try do it yourself.
If your breast then withered up and done with long time. That's why then just cook them a breast. For the picking them born and suck down the breast. Then not more.
Be your picnic them. Be your picnic.
Our picnic them. Our. Anyway. Me think say a full time now you start help with the bills them. Yeah. I feel like say true, me alone they go work every time. Me have to hide on a thief, me string bag of flour and bag of rice to make a little side hustling. Right? Me say 2 women come there today, you know. I say, me see them today, you know, and I watch them, you know. Thief them, the feeding them, you know. But me look at them and I say, boy, look how life hard. Eh? The woman have your teeth feeding, just to come feeding baby. Wow to the workless father, them out there. So me are the only father stand up in my putting them life. Eh? Lord, some women they do like what me see them do, woman they do. Go left them like how them build father, go left them.
Response for them. Since me have to help with the bills them, no problem. Me feel say, you for help with the girls them. You for help with the cleaning. You for help with the sweeping. You for help with the washing up. You for help even talk to your daughter them.
What? One more talking they want. You know they're alright. You're there. You can call them.
No. Come me go on the road. You go and look work and do work. So since me have to help with the bills, it take 2 in everything, you know.
So what do them?
Go talk to them and find out. You know, say, Jody have a boyfriend.
Still news.
Okay.
Still news.
Okay. And you know, say she have everything. You know,
Still
name and everything.
Still news. Me know say the chair off a Chinaman's son. But the boy saying too black. Yes, me hear the boy cha. So me no use me head because me want to know what I talk about. So me say, I know me a run joke with him. He said, no man, no other black girl ever done this some man. I look me and I don't want her, you know me say. So me say, I saw my daughter move. After a long time, my daughter bad like a yard. We can't do nothing. He done gone through the gate. Me talk to him, me talk to you. Me talk to him day and night.
No, you talk at her. You not talk to her. You talk at her.
Me even go to me where embarrass her in front of 2 boys.
So how she go listen to that? You can sit her down as a father and talk to her and give her a man point of view.
If me as a boy picking it turn up in front 2 girls picking it and my father come there come embarrass me so me tap. Me not look no more woman until me old enough. Me I tell her that.
Like say you never breed me young, eh? And look how much time your mother chase you down with the frying pan and lick you in your head with the frying pan. And your name stop then. From you at 13, you're a bus shot. So stop chat fart in my ear roll.
Me can ask you a question. How did catch you make you come over me yard?
Your memory shot.
What did catch you make you come over me yard?
Your memory shot. And you ask Johnny for ask me if he teach you with maths and lecture you with the maths and tutor you with maths.
And
then you start stretch. Oh, tired. And your hands start reach round. And you know where to touch and you know where to press. Huh? And you press up the button them. And boops.
And that's time with that advice, no picking if you go No, other pick the yard go study cause then there's something that go happen.
See, and them they talk, if you talk to your daughter, them. Remember, say them a girl child, anything happen, them a bring to we.
The only one I can chat to you is the little one. I can bend that the tree there before it grow. But you see a big hee-haw with those turn 18 gone, what there? Me tell her, I said, do not bore in neighbor. And somebody phone me, say neighbor bore. It come here?
Well, she, for we, pick me at 18. She a big woman on that level. All we can do is talk and advise.
Let me tell her
And
this.
if you did talk to her, then she wouldn't rebel, so.
Alright, she are 18, right? Remember, I you say my 18 and so when you put out her backside, remember, sir, she are 18. The law now come force me to put her back in, right? So I are going to eat my nice dinner, chicken breast again. Cause that's all they give me, chicken breast.
You don't care, carry on. That's the only breast you're gonna get. Go long.
No worry, Joey, oh, you'll be at dinner, alright, no problem. Bro, how do you bro? There, boy.
I say everything good.
Yeah, man, everything levels.
Most some story you come to tell me, know.
No, sir. I just come check up on a regular basic.
Oh,
Yeah, boy. Me and for me girl, boy. Rough.
so what should do again?
Me can't go nowhere, bro. Me can't even take a shit in peace.
Jaja,
I can't even bathe in peace.
Bro, me tell her how long she left that girl there, That girl gonna make you put herself in a problem, bro.
Dog. Me love her still in you, but girl too clingy, my youth.
Love, bro. And she a deal with you, so.
I just choose she just clingy. You see me, she want to hitch up on me. You know, I'm glad my sister can call her. You can't
Bro,
get a little
you
free
can't have
walk,
a
bro.
girl that stay so, bro. You can't in a relationship with a girl that stay so, bro. She will make you put yourself in a problem.
The girl going on my phone.
Yeah.
And see one number mark. Rep save as my queen.
My queen.
Yeah, and she say I love you. I'll be J, mom ready for J me up, you know? And guess what? I'm a mother.
So she you know explain and tell her.
After me done explain, oh be sorry, me never know. Hey, what you want? And I rub me, I say my girl, that's easy off, you know, man.
The box him would have give me would have say blinky.
I just that my problem. She too clean, you see me? Me can't go nowhere, dog. Me in a bathroom my being. She have to dip on a toilet bowl.
Yo,
Me dip on the toilet bowl, she have to over and a shower curtain and peep over. You know like them style, bro.
just get rid of that girl, bro. Run her away, bro. Get rid of her out of your life, bro.
Me I think about it, you know. Me I think
More
about
than
it.
one woman out there, bro. Thousands of women out there, bro.
Wait there. Hello. My girl, tears up, watch me now you. Me go and check my bedroom down the road. Better tell Suzette for mine I own a business. Tear girl. Which woman me a forward? Alright, me a forward. You don't know say mama tell me say how Suzette tell her say she see me down in a lane. I go over people, I go over a girl yard. However, you say me a forward, brother. Yo.
So, bro, how you do to that one that the girl do to you, so, bro, make she a deal with a some type of way and you still, bro, you know you stay so, bro. Something in a something, bro.
Nah, I think I love you now, bro.
Yo, yeah, though. We connect up, bro.
Yeah, dad, me I come chip going, you know.
Connect up. Show me see her.
Probably tomorrow. And you can come to me in idea.
How are the pan phone it?
Best friend.
Which best friend? May I eat that? Eh? May I eat that?
No.
May I eat that?
Rotted. Jesus. They know. God, God. Well, you love man too much of that thing forget. That you love man like dog and that you forget.